Welcome, everyone. We want to welcome the Supernatural fans that might be happy to watch this reaction. But more specifically, we want to welcome the radio company fans who are watching this reaction, because that's what we're reacting to today is Radio Company, a live performance. I think this is live. Oh, actually, I shouldn't say that. I don't think it is live. Oh, we'll find out. Which just proves that we don't listen to the videos before we watch them. We actually are a real reaction channel. Unlike, let's be honest, a lot of the fake channels out there.
Well, if you had read the thing, it said that this one is a live version.
Hi, guys. Another Radio Company song, and this one is a live version. Well, thanks, Melissa. This is from Melissa, and I am now reading that note live on air. I am receiving that information as I read it.
This is so stupid.
We also like to welcome Jensen Ackles, who now watches our channel. It's been confirmed.
Yeah. Oh, is this my song? I've been waiting.
We are reacting to The Boys, and he's playing Soldier Boy on that right now. We're reacting to Supernatural. It's on our channel, and we've been reacting to his a band, Radio Company. So, Jensen, welcome to the channel, Jensen. Okay, Nathan, he will say thank you one of these days. His band will get another 2 views because of us. The song Sounds of Sunday by Radio Company appears to convey a message of seeking freedom, finding one's own path, and the idea of home. I like it.
This is a little song called Sounds of Someday.
The outlaw, kind of country outlaw. Like, yeah.
It's like, there is a place in New Orleans.
Oh, gone is here today, finding room to breathe. Go on, be on your way and see. The sounds of Sunday may be home. The sounds of Sunday may be home.
Oh, violin going? Great.
And a cello.
Yep. Theme.
No, sorry, that's a stand-up bass.
Oh, okay.
Even the fires on the road,
Oh, no.
trying to get away. And all the stars seem on a roll, out of control today.
Are you falling in love with him too? Where has this guy been all our life? Like, he is a star.
Uh-huh.
Look, I'm blushing. Whew. I mean, this guy, he's like, it's ridiculously not fair. He's handsome. He can sing. He can write music. He can act. He seems to be funny.
Grow a beard.
He can't even grow a beard, man. He's like everything I'm not.
That's not true.
Man. Okay. I'm totally fanboying for this guy. We're big fans of Supernatural. We just started, but we're big fans and we're enjoying the series. Join our Patreon for full reactions. This is a really good performance. This is a good song. I love this style of music. This is the kind of music I actually like. This is genuinely the kind of music I like. If I never knew who Jensen was, if somebody showed us this band 2 months ago, I wouldn't have known Jensen. I might have been like, hey, he looks familiar. I've seen the Supernatural actors throughout the years. I might have said he looks familiar. I don't know. I would be like, this is a really good song. But it's just amazing this guy's doing everything. I wonder if Supernatural in some way is fueling his real desire to sing and perform, because
I'm sure it is.
Because he can naturally sing. Good for him that he has a platform like the TV show to kind of build it. It's a built-in audience. There's nothing wrong with that. This is an actor who can really sing and plays really good music, and he's really collaborated with this other. I forget the guitarist's name that's next to him. It's in another request that's named for us. We'll get to that with that request. But they're the two that run the band.
I was amazed how he held that note at the end there. That's a sign of a true artist. That someone that can sing really, really well, can hold a note, and then his raspy voice at the end goes right with that, and it sells it. We'll do this video. We'll make this video, put it out there. It'll get maybe 80 views. Right?
Because our channel sucks. Our channel sucks.
Yeah, it's because our channel sucks. I wish that he got more exposure for, quality of the music, because I think there's a high quality there. I love that they had I think it was a cello and
it was a cello and violinist. They had a string solo section. And I love how Jensen turned and watched them perform their solo. It was awesome.
Generally, being around Jensen is a good time. You're gonna enjoy yourself, whether you're watching him act or his band perform or him perform, or apparently he directs as well. Yeah, he's the real deal. Absolutely. We're just starting. That's kind of the fun part.
It's exciting. It's exciting. We have a whole 14 seasons left to go. 14 and 3/4 of a season left to go. We have a lot of journey ahead of us. So we're looking forward to that. Again, join our Patreon for let's just be really quick here. If you're watching this on Patreon, the Supernatural stuff will eventually get on YouTube, but it could take us forever. We do not have a professional editor anymore. We don't have anyone editing. Nathan and I, a lot of our shows might just be behind the paywall. We'll react, and there they are, and move on, or else we'll never get through the series. Join our Patreon. We're going to go through that series as fast as we can, in a good way, not a rush way, in a good way. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, everyone, for joining us. It was a good time all around. Thanks for all your support. Thanks, Melissa, for giving us. That was fantastic. We enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next one.